Good morning. We're here with the High Point University Department of Theater and Dance to give you an inside look into our first loading of the semester. It's 9 a.m. on Saturday and students are just starting to arrive to help build the set for Borrowed Babies, which opens right here in the Empty Space Theater on February 20th. Let's go look inside. The truck has just arrived and students are beginning to unload. We build all of the components of our sets in our scene shop off campus, and then on loading day the truck brings them over and we assemble them in this space.
The process for coming up for the design for Borrowed Babies is first of all, obviously you read the script, and there were a couple of challenges within the script, and so the biggest thing I had to figure out was how do I put essentially a 1950s house on stage. We're also in the black box, which is actually a fairly small space, so putting an entire house was a little hard.
Hi, I'm Christine Watt. I'm playing Vera in Borrowed Babies, and we are currently loading in our set over by the theater, and it is a very cool experience to be building a set that you are then going to perform on. So we open in 2 weeks, and loading in the set is a day when everybody in the department kind of comes together and starts, really putting the show on the ground.
Right now we are headed down to the costume shop.
Gone on lunch break now for an hour, and the small dedicated few that wish to come back will be back in an hour to finish up the set. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon and we are back from lunch break with a smaller group of students to continue loading.
So we're in the middle of load-in and just happened to open the door to find out that it's snowing! It's snowing! This is the second load off the truck. It is significantly colder for this one.
Okay, so it's about 6 o'clock p.m. We are wrapping up for the night, and this is the set so far. Bye! Yay!
Bye-bye! That's it for tonight, guys. Thank you so much for joining us.